I'm just leaving out the gym. And I gotta go to the post office. An update on my shop license. I put the wrong email address. I put my personal email address, assuming, they would just like send me notifications on there if I ever had to, when it's time to renew my license and all that good stuff. But they're telling me I need to put my business email. So yeah, that's the problem I had just now. They mailed me back my info. So yeah, that's what I gotta do. Go bring that to the post office. And another thing on my agenda, I need to mail off these clippers. Had the giveaway. I had a winner, so I gotta mail those off. Remember, I'm gonna do a giveaway once a month. Let's say at least once a month. So if you want to be a part of the giveaway, just watch the videos. You'll see what we're giving away and what's the criteria, so you can win it. So yeah, right now I'm headed to the post office. Give an update on how the shop license and stuff work. Up in Georgia, they were doing things more like mail in, but now they're getting pretty much completely digital. So they have a new system that they updated, and you do a lot of stuff over their page or whatever on the computer. But I mailed mine in, last year November, and right now it's February, and I'm still trying to get this process done. But when they mailed me back my paperwork, they gave me the option to upload everything to the system. Now I tried. It's bringing me back to my regular, profile to update my license, my barber license, not my shop license. So I couldn't even figure out how I'm gonna put the shop license information in there. So that's one thing that's keeping me from doing it that way. And another thing is I already had a money order made out to them, so that's already in paper. I can't really upload that. If I can, I just don't know. But since I already got the paper money order, I'm just finishing everything out with the paper or whatever. So I'm gonna mail it in to them. But there is a process where you do everything online. Like when I did my my barber's license, I did all that online, and I just had to go get my paper notarized from the actual notary, and still just upload that paperwork online. So it is an easier process where you don't have to do a lot of back and forth. But like I said, since mine is already set up where I got my money order already done and all that, I'm just gonna finish it out this way. And next time when I have to renew it, since I'll already be in the system as a licensed barbershop, then I'll just update it from there. But I'm at the post office, so I'm about to go bring this stuff in there. So I'm all good now. Got that mailed off. So just play the waiting game at this point. Another thing, man, I actually emailed them. They got something on there. They say you know, before I could call earlier this year, I was calling them like once a week to see what was the update. So maybe a lot of people was calling because they was getting things updated, and they just pretty much stopped that process. Like, you still could call, but before they would put you in like a I don't know what you call that, in a queue. So they'll let you, you know, leave your phone number, and they'll give you a call back based off of your order. But now you call them, it's bound to go to voicemail, and the voicemail gonna tell you to leave an email or mail them off, something like that. So I emailed them a few times while I was waiting, just to see an update if I did everything right or whatever. And I never got a response, man. And so I'm saying that because I feel like if they would have just responded to the email like they prompted me to do, and they said they would get back with me shortly, if they would have just responded to that, then, you know, we could have did all that over the phone. Like, they could have put it in the system, and I could have updated it from there, because all they wanted was my business email, not my personal email. So I feel like that could have been done better than what it is or was, but it is what it is at this point. So I got that process done. So I'm just gonna wait on them, and from there, you know, I'll be applying for my business license once they update my shop license. Yeah, like I said on the other video, I was told that I could do it simultaneously, but the building that I'm going to, they're not budging on that. So I got to just wait till I get the shop license done, and then I'll get my business license after that. But I'm on my way to work to cut some hair. So check out my videos from my haircuts. You know, I hope they're helpful. And if they are, you know, leave a comment. Also leave a comment on something that, you know, you would like. I had a comment on, somebody wanted me to do a double lining. And I mean, I don't have no problem with doing it, but I don't have no suspect for that. Like, I don't really know nobody who is interested in getting a double lining. So that's kind of interesting. I mean, I could try to do it on the mannequin, but I don't think it would come out like it would on the person. So I appreciate that comment, but until I find somebody to do it on, then, man, just don't feel like I'm not accomplishing that goal. But with that being said, man, I'm about to go to work. So like I said, check out my videos with my haircut tutorials, and I hope you appreciate this content, because I appreciate you.